personalized decanters for liquor lovers. Let me tell you about what every self-respecting drinker should have on their home bar: a decanter. Yup, these beautiful vessels are essential if you want to up your game when entertaining guests or just looking classy. There's nothing more satisfying than pouring a glass of your favorite scotch or bourbon out of something that was made just for you. Gifts with a personal touch are always a good choice, but finding the perfect one can be tricky. They either look like cheap knockoffs or way too expensive. So we rounded up the best personalized decanters to make your gift searching easier. Number 1. Wedding Party Store Cavalier Design Personalized Decanter Set. The Cavalier Design Whiskey Decanter offers a classic design that is perfect for whiskey or any other liquor. With its square shape and snug stopper, it will make an excellent gift for anyone who enjoys drinking spirits. The glass used in this decanter is lead-free to avoid clouding under normal use conditions over time. This weighty piece has just enough heft without being overly masculine. Customize your design before placing your order, and you can put in up to 15 characters and an initial of your choice. Number 2. Swanky Badger Personalized Whiskey Decanter. How many decanters do you need? You can choose from 7 unique and exquisite designs of this Swanky Badger Personalized Whiskey Decanter. The classic, diamond, draper, heirloom, or medalist styles are great for a more formal event like weddings, while the modern or vintage look is perfect for an intimate dinner party with friends. With up to 12 characters of your choice engraved on this whiskey decanter, it's sure to be one gift they'll never forget. Plus, it holds standard bottles of liquor safely in a lead-free glass. Number 3. Bormiolirocco Capital Personalized Decanter. Give the gift of quality and style with this Bormiolirocco decanter. Available in capital or contemporary design, you can customize your decanter to say either 1 to 3 letters or a full name on design too. This whiskey decanter is excellent as a housewarming, birthday, anniversary, and wedding present. Its 23-ounce capacity is just suitable for drinking with friends. Any leftover liquor will stay fresh, thanks to its snug stopper and lead-free glass, made from clear glass that won't cloud over time as some others do. This will fit nicely into any home bar setup and great space saver too. Number 4. My Personal Memories Personalized Decanter Set. No matter what your preferred spirit is, we've got the perfect vessel for you. This custom engraved decanter and glass set comes with a beautiful shield design that's sure to make it feel like home no matter where you are. Standing at 10.75 inches tall by 5.5 inches wide, this sleek barware can hold 23 ounces of any liquor, which is ample for all night. The snug stopper keeps the contents fresh, while its whiskey glasses have a classic design printed on them that matches perfectly with their matching decanter counterpart. Number 5. My Personal Memories Personalized Engraved Decanter. This whiskey decanter is perfect for the best of times and worst of days. You can use it as a wedding favor that will help make your big day even more memorable, or just have one in good spirits anytime you want to unwind after work with friends. It's weighted so that every pour feels satisfyingly sturdy from this high-quality glass container. Number 6. Sophias Findings Personalized Whiskey Decanter Set. From the 3 designs, Limited, Miller, and Shield Star, for your whiskey decanter comes 2 glasses that go well with whichever design you choose. Plus, they will bear the same laser etching as the vessel itself. The glasses can hold 10 ounces of your favorite liquor for a nice sip. Aside from being an excellent gift idea, this hefty decanter also comes with a beautiful stopper perfect for good quality liquors. This would make an amazing addition to any home bar area. Number 7. What's Custom Personalized Decanter Set with Box. This stylish decanter is perfect for hosting a dinner party in style with your favorite spirits. The classy design will draw attention to any home or office bar, and the big size of 28 ounces can keep everyone's drinks colder longer while also looking chic on display. It includes an engravable glass so you can never forget who gave it as a gift. Plus, this is the best budget option of decanter you can choose. Number 8. Amazing Items Personalized Whiskey Decanter Set with Box. The engraved whiskey decanter with 4 shots glasses is the perfect gift for any whiskey lover. The crumpled paper design on the bottom of the exquisite set will make them feel like true gentlemen and scholars while also being practical. They can even add an optional box to their order to give it that extra touch. Number 9. The Wedding Party Store Groomsman Personalized Decanter Set. This lead-free, engraved whiskey decanter comes with 7 set etching and font designs you can choose from. You can submit a custom design for the perfect gift to your boss or friend, and surely they will be impressed. The good thing, all engravings are of no extra cost, so order several pieces now before it's too late. Number 10. Wood Present Studi Personalized Whiskey Decanter Set with Box. This personalized decanter set provides many options for everyone, from the superhero, the globe-trotting friend, or even that seafaring person on your list. With up to 50 characters for the text and a choice of an optional engraved wooden box with a matching design on its containers, no one will feel like you skimped out. The whiskey decanter holds 17 ounces, but also comes with 2 to 6 glasses, and each is holding 10 ounces, so there is plenty of room if someone wants their own glass. You can choose between default packaging, including cardboard boxes, but add another option by adding vintage wooden gift box packages instead. Number 11. Crystal Imagery Personalized Engraved Decanter. This handmade whiskey flask is so beautiful and elegant that it could be your own personal distillery. The sandblasted glass has a textured feel to the engraving, making this piece unique in its artistry. You can name this bottle according to your desire, and just one click on the lock for an easy opening experience every time you need some refreshment. No more struggling. The best way to spoil your loved ones with a gift this holiday season is by purchasing the thoughtful and personalized whiskey decanter. Imagine scouring through all of those thousands for gifts, not being able to find anything good enough or functional enough, but now you don't have to. Was this video helpful in your search for finding the best gift idea? If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Advanced Mixology.